Going to remove the cover after 4 weeks. Let's see what is the condition of my bike. This looks perfectly fine. Actually, I remove the battery and everything before I go to my hometown. It's look perfectly fine. Now we need to reinstall the battery and everything that I will show you. To reinstall the battery, first you need to remove the back seat cover. You can just simply like this. Removing the back seat cover, this is 2 screws, this and this. You need to remove these 2 screws. Finally, you have the access to the battery. All the allengies that come along with the bike itself, they just need to remove the screw with this allengi. I think it's not the exact allengi for this. So let me just pull the seats. Now you can access the main battery of Ninja 1000 here. I remove both of the terminals. Normally some people remove only this is the main battery of Ninja 1000. Normally people remove only the negative terminal, but I remove both of the terminals. Now we need to connect the negative, both of the negative and positive terminal in the battery. Always make sure not to miss out the screw. I'm connecting the negative terminal. Make sure it's perfectly tightened. Now I am going to connect the positive terminal in the battery. I'm not sure it will start or not because it's been around 1 month since I use this bike. The positive terminal also perfectly connected. Now I'm going to start the ignition. Going to start the ignition. Okay. Start the bike. It's perfectly working after 1 month. So this is the thing, if you go for some trip or outside of the country, always make sure to remove both of the battery terminals and make sure to lube your chains before storing your bike. It's perfectly working. I didn't find any kind of issue. I put some these medicines inside every wiring things, like in order to avoid any kind of insects or cockroach to damage the bike. It's looking perfect.